Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will go ahead and pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. Have a order for a put here at 22.70. So trying to get a option here. Close. All right, got to go to 21.70 now at this point. I'm doing options. If you have no idea what I mean when I say that, in the comment section, just put guide please or option guide please, and I will send you a link to a free guide that I put together called The Big Basics of Options, completely free video, and it'll help make all this make a whole lot more sense. So yes, options can be very, very complicated. There's no doubt about that, but they also don't have to be. So if you're looking for more of a basic understanding, a basic approach to options, then like I said, that guide will really help you out. So just let me know in the comment section. But all right, I will pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. Again, I'm at 21.70, but I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 21.10 here. Nope. All right. We'll go down to 20.10 now. All right, I will pause. All right, going to try to pick up a contract here at 21. I got that. So I have a call contract. Try to pick up one here at 19.50. Got that. See if we can get them bounce back up through the 20s here. Getting close. Well, it was for a second. Got out the 51, got out the 81. So nice little $90 move there. Hindsight, yeah. Maybe I should have picked up two more down at 1950-ish area, but that's all hindsight. All right, well, if this move wants to come down some more, that is a benefit of one contract. Flexibility within a trade. Had I got in at full, 5 or 10 contracts or something crazy, yeah, there's basically no flexibility at that point, and there's nothing you can really do about it. Now, I don't know, for you, maybe 5 contracts, 10 contracts in your account is a small, that's like the same as me doing one contract. That could be possible, but one contract, I'll just put it this way, gives me a whole lot of flexibility. Even had I started off at 2 or 3 contracts, I still got flexibility, but one contract, that's a lot of flexibility. So, okay, well, starting off there, $90. So I'll take that. I will go ahead and pause. And if this wants to keep on coming down, I would be interested, once again, although I am going to change strike prices. So again, when I say strike prices, they're thinking, huh, what? Again, let me know in the comment section. I'll give you that guide. So, all right, let's go to 23.50 now. Throw an order out. But yeah, I will pause. And if it looks like I might get filled here, I'll get it rolling. Have an order at 22.70 for a call. Needs to come down just a bit more. I will pause. Okay, maybe here. Well, for a second it looked at like want to break down through that level. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 20.70. That was the initial move I was looking for. So we got to go to 2010 now. I will pause. Have an order at 1910. Okay, got to go to 1810 now. So I'm at 1810. Again, just a single call. Nope, that was it. 1750 now. I may be looking to change strike prices. We'll go with this for now. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 2110 here for a put. I think I can, maybe I'm getting greedy here. I just try 2070 instead. In 2070. And just took 30. Now I was looking for 50. So if this goes up over, let's call it 2130, then I would have been able to get out. So right now it feels like looking like I did the right thing, but gave that thing enough time. And did I need to all of a sudden wave the white flag and take a loss? No. Did I need to wave the white flag and take a break even? No. I just determined that I wanted to take a little bit less of a gain. And as of now, looking like that was the right choice. Again, to be fair, maybe I should hold or should be still be holding because this thing's going to go up over 2130. Okay, there. Yep. All right. Now, still not for 2140. Definitely, without doubt, for sure, I would have gotten out with my $50. Okay, right there. Yep. All right. Well, hindsight, should have just held, but like I said, was not willing to risk that. So okay. So just $30 on that one. Was going for 50. If this wants to come up some more, specifically to that purple line-ish area, I'd be interested again. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 2640 for a put. It was close for a second. I will pause. Have an order at 24. I'm in. Got filled at 2440. For a put. And I'm in at 2440. Made an adjustment on the order. And again, what did I got? Yeah, $20 on that one. Just, again, we'll paper trade it. If this goes up to, 25.20 or 25.10, excuse me, then that's for sure I would have gotten out at 24.90. But I waited probably longer than I should have in all actuality. But I am interested in another one if this wants to make another push upwards. Yeah, right now looking like I played that one right. Again, still remains to be seen. Okay, just a minute, it's coming up there. 2170, there we go. Nope, that was the move I wanted. So we got to go to 2110. So yeah, that one definitely played it right because this thing keeps going up. I would have never gotten out for that $50. So that $20 move is now that $20 gain is looking really, really good. Yeah, that $30 one, frustrating. Oh, if I waited, I would have been okay. But yeah, this one, that one's looking good. Okay, we'll go to 2030 now. Actually, probably, I'd like to time it up around that yellow line, so it's got a little bit more room to go till it's up to that point. All right, I will pause. Well, full disclosure sake, I would have been okay because this thing completely rolled back over and it went beyond what I needed it to go. But yeah, that's now, could I have added? I could have. Again, one contract, so I had plenty of flexibility, but that was never the plan on that one. So that's why I just decided to bail. But yes, I guess I would have been okay once again. So, but I was right to play it the way I did. I'm saying that jokingly, but I did want to give, the rest of the story on that one. Have an order at 2480. It snapped down there really quickly all of a sudden. I'm going to go to 2410 now. This thing got really quick all of a sudden. All right, I'll pause, but I'll keep a very close eye on it. Okay, I have an order at 2410. And that's the move I was looking for, so we got to go to 2350 now. Wow, and yeah, very, very snappy and jumpy right now. Because as fast as it was down there, you can see now it had jumped back up to green, but we'll see if it wants to try to come back down. But never mind. Have an order at 1870. In at 1870. Trying to get out at 1920, but this is being more difficult than what it should be. Give it a chance though. There we go. Wow. That was challenging. I got a great entry point there. I love that entry point, but it's still very hard, very difficult to get out. All right, well, let's start the process over again. I did change strike prices. That's why these prices over here are now all of a sudden up in the 20s because of the change of strike prices. Still got the $50. Now, granted, I realized I made $50 and still, I don't even know, was it 10 seconds? Maybe a little more than 10 seconds. So I don't mean to come across as ungrateful because I was still a very fast trade. But usually with this sort of strategy, if you get a great entry point, and I thought that was a great entry point, you're looking at just seconds. But that one took longer than what I thought. But I still got my $50. All right, let's see. Like I said, 2450. Just double checking. There we go, 2450. So if this thing wants to make another plunge to the downside, I'll be waiting for it at 2450. But I will pause for now. I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up here. So caught 4 trades. 2 of them worked fine. 2 of them did not, but not to the point where they needed to be losses or anything like that. So was hoping to be up over $200 and was close, but like I said, because of those couple of trades, that was about $50 that I had hoped to account for, but didn't have, which would have had me comfortably up over 200. But that's just how it goes some days. So 4 sniper shots, and yeah, overall just fine of a day. Not every day you're going to have trades that work out absolutely perfectly, but that's just territory of how it comes with being a trader. So if you enjoy these live trade videos, do a couple things for me. Hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Even if you say hi, give me a smiley face emoji. Tell me what you traded today. Those two things help out with the YouTube algorithm. They help out the channel. And as long as I know that you are enjoying this type of content, I will continue to put in the time and effort to get this content out to you, because these videos are not easy to make at all. Trading live, trying to talk, make alerts, enter in my own orders, do analysis, all while I'm talking to you. A lot of stuff going on, but I will continue to do it as long as I know it's popular. So as long as, if you do enjoy, then you can communicate that to me by, again, hitting that like button and leaving a very basic comment. So everybody take care. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.
First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.